Hey guys, welcome back our channel. In today's video, we've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to copy a link from an Instagram comment. It's a handy trick, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app. As you can see, we're on the home screen, and we're going to find a comment on an Instagram post. Now, let's say we want to copy the link from this comment right here. To copy the link, all you need to do is take a screenshot. So, let's capture this comment. Once you've taken the screenshot, tap on Done and then Save to Photos. Head over to your photos, and you'll find the screenshot we just took. Now, here's a cool part. If you tap and hold on the link in the screenshot, you'll automatically go to that link. It's a quick way to access it. But wait, there's more. Scroll down to the bottom of the screenshot, and you'll find an option to copy the link from Instagram. It's that easy. And there you have it. That's how you can effortlessly copy a link from Instagram comments. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more quick fixes.